Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I made this rice water for growing hair. So this is my rice water. I will be showing you how I make this rice water in this video. Generous amount of rice water into my hair. So I'm going to use my plastic cap to cover my hair at this moment. So after I've put this plastic cap on my hair, I'm going to let it sit for like 20 to 30 minutes so that all the nutrients and vitamins of my rice water can just go into my hair. So what rice water does for your hair is it makes your hair thicker, it makes your hair manageable, and it makes your hair fuller as well. So definitely this rice water is really good for your hair. You can use it twice a week. If you have a short hair, you can use it twice a week, after which you shampoo your hair. Or if you have a long hair, you can just use it like once in a month. So thank you so much for watching my video today. If you have not already done, please subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and any of the video you want me to do, anything relating to hair or anything you're struggling with your hair, just let me know and you'll be helped on my channel. See you later. Bye bye.